Hello everyone. If your Battlefield 6 is infinitely loading, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying infinite loading bug on Battlefield 6. So first of all, you're going to open up the platform that you have the game on. So I have the game on Steam. I'm going to show you how to do it on Steam. You're going to go into library. You're going to right click on Battlefield 6. I'm going to use Battlefield 2042 as an example. You're going to right click on it, go into properties, go into installed files, click verify integrity of game files. And once it verifies the integrity of the game's files, then you can go ahead and play the game. That should fix your infinite loading issue on Battlefield 6. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.